Hey YouTube, welcome back for another workout. I have a new challenge for you guys today. We're going to do a 5-minute plank challenge. All you need today is your yoga mat and some mind over matter. I have 5 exercises for you guys. We're going to do TABATA style intervals, which is 20 seconds of activity followed by 10 seconds of rest, and we'll be performing the workout for 2 rounds. So that's going to make this a 5-minute sweat sesh. And again, let me know in the comments after you've completed the workout so that I can give you a high five. And if you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like. All right, let's get it. For one more round, all right? And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know if this kicked your butt. All right? See you guys later.